Hello friends, in this video we discuss about one of the RNA, that is ribosomal RNA. Ribosomes are the translational machinery where protein synthesis occurs, are about 65% of RNA. Genetic information in the nucleotide sequence of an mRNA is translated into amino acid sequence of a polypeptide chain by ribosomes. rRNA molecules fold into characteristic secondary structure as a consequence of intramolecular hydrogen bond interaction. The different species of rRNA generally referred according to their sedimentation coefficient, which are rough measure of their relative size. Ribosomes are composed of two subunits of different sizes that dissociate from each other. E. coli have sedimentation coefficient of 30s, which is smaller subunit, and 50s, that is large subunit. Eukaryotic ribosomes are somewhat larger than prokaryotic ribosomes, consisting of 40s and 60s subunits, which is small and large subunit respectively. 30s subunit of E. coli contain single 16s rRNA, and 50s subunit has two rRNA molecules, that is 23s and 5s. Eukaryotic rRNA have molecules of 18s, 28s, 5.8s and 5s. 18s rRNA is in the 40s subunit, and latter three are all part of 60s subunit. If you like the video, share with your friends, and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thanks a lot.